Good morning, Hornets. It's a wonderful Monday here at VCHS. We're your hosts. I'm Jeff Stockwell.
And I'm Jordan. Let's start off with today's lunch. Today you'll be enjoying a grilled cheese sandwich, chicken noodle soup, carrots, celery, a frozen treat, and of course a cold milk.
Milk may be one of the more popular morning drinks, but what juice holds the #1 spot for breakfast?
I prefer orange juice more than apple juice.
Hey, I'm Scarlett, and I can't choose between apple juice and orange juice, so I pick both.
My name is Allison, and I would rather have orange juice over apple juice.
I'm Brock Sanner, and orange juice is way better than apple juice.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
I'm Carly Miller, and with
Sydney Call,
here with top 5 news stories. Number 1, Colorado police stops an organized team trying to deliver contraband into the prisons with the use of drones.
police have confirmed the racial incident with the Utah's women's basketball team did occur, and they have identified persons of interest.
Women's NCAA tournament games at the Moda Center had mismatched 3-point lines.
A 9-year-old California boy who missed the bus drives mom's car to school, sparking police chase.
Lou Conter, last survivor of USS Arizona from the Perl Harbor attacks, dies at 102.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is impervious, not allowing fluid to pass through.
Life is trying things to see if they work. Ray Bradbury.
Some of you may already be dreaming of summer.
Hoping each day will be better than the last.
Let's see what a perfect day looks like to some of you Hornets.
I'm Carly Miller, and my best day would be first going to the track and staying there, and I'm talking about a motocross track, by the way, and race against a lot of women riders because there's not a lot.
Okay, my name is Abigail Hanson. And my perfect day would be going to like an amusement park like Six Flags or something.
My perfect day would be hanging out with friends all day and then probably going home and going to sleep.
I'm Scarlett, and my perfect day would be raining so that I can read my book.
Hi, my name is Kylie. My perfect day is not going to work.
It's a good start to the week. Let's take a look at today's weather.
Today's high is 69 and tonight's low is 45.
Now for a quick blast of the past, let's wrap up with today's day in history. Stay classy, VC.
April 8, 2005. At the Vatican, world leaders joined pilgrims and Roman Catholic clergy in St. Peter's Square for the funeral of Pope John Paul II. 1973. Pablo Picasso, one of the greatest artists of the 20th century, dies at his home in France at age 91. 1990. Ryan White, the teen AIDS patient whose battle for acceptance drew national attention, dies in Indianapolis. He was 18 years old. 1974.
That ball is going to be out of here. It's done. It's 7-15.
Hank Aaron of the Atlanta Braves becomes baseball's career home run king. He hits his 715th home run, topping Babe Ruth's record in a game against the Los Angeles Dodgers. And 1994. In Seattle, Kurt Cobain, frontman for the grunge band Nirvana, is found dead from a self-inflicted gunshot wound. He was 27. Today in history, April 8th, Ed Donahue, The Associated Press.